Top 5 easy to make paper toy will surely love. Number 1. This cool ninja star. Very easy to make. No need for glue or tape. You just need 4 square size paper. You can also combine different colors you like. Number 2. This cube helicopter. Again, this is very easy to make, and no need for glue or tape. You just need 3 stripes of paper, and you can also combine different colors you like. Number 3 is this awesome paper bomb. The easiest and simplest to make. Number 4 is this cool boomerang plane. One of the coolest paper plane I have seen. Very easy to fold also. And last but not the least, this amazing jet plane. You can make your paper fly, but unfortunately not your grades. Paper plane is one of the coolest and amazing paper toy.